गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की डिक्टेशन। लेट्स स्टार्ट। मिस्टर वाइस चेयरमैन सर, it was felt for a long time that the Limitation Act of 1908, which had certain amendments, deserved reconsideration in all its aspects. Full stop. With this object in view, not only regarding this act but regarding all the acts that are at present in force after independence, we appointed a law commission to revise all our laws. Full stop. Sir, the Law Commission went into this matter in very great detail and referring to certain basic principles that have been adopted and certain amendments that have been suggested by the Commission of Revision appointed in the United Kingdom. They have gone through the whole enactment and suggested certain modifications not only in sections but also in articles. Full stop. I am very glad that the Law Ministry has brought forward the bill on this basis, as the Deputy Law Minister has pointed out that they have not followed the recommendations of the Law Commission, but in general they have adopted the recommendations of the Law Commission in most of its aspects. Full stop. Para. Sir, as this matter is to be entrusted to the joint committee of both the houses, it will have the benefit of the deliberations of all those members who are in the select committee, and so generally speaking, neither is this the occasion nor the practice to go into details, but we can just suggest certain general matters so that the select committee may take them into consideration while deliberating in detail on the different provisions of this bill. Full stop. Para. Sir, in view of my experience as a lawyer, I feel that the law of limitation is a procedural matter except in certain sections where it confers definite rights on account of possession or certain other matters. Full stop. We have to see that the matters that are disputed or are under litigation are disposed of in as short a period as possible. Full stop. The trend everywhere is that the people should not be kept in suspense either before litigation or after litigation. Full stop. So, my humble suggestion to the members of the select committee will be to see that the course of litigation is as much circumscribed, as much reduced as is possible in consonance with the basic principle of fairness, justice, and equity. Full stop. To substantiate what I am submitting, I would give an example, and the members of the select committee will go into details of the Law Commission report. Full stop. That's it.